Hi, this is Sohail Siddiqui, a senior sports journalist from Karachi, Pakistan. Day before yesterday, Angelo Matthews of Sri Lanka has become the first ever batter or batsman to be given timed out in the entire history of international cricket, that is 146 years history. If you browse through the internet, you would find there are 6 other batters to be given timed out, and that is in first class cricket matches. But amazingly, that list does not include the first ever victim of that rule, timeout. Would you believe that the first ever victim of Law 40.1.1 Code 1980 was none other than our great batting maestro, the runs machine, the Asian Bradman, Zaheer Abbas, who got retired in 1985. The event took place sometime earlier, and the exact mention is nowhere on the internet. That is what I'm telling you, just applying my memory. It was the headings of local newspapers that soon after the rule was promulgated, the first ever cricketer was given timed out, and he was Zaheer Abbas. Zaheer Abbas is still alive. So I would request the ICC management to look into the matter and find out with thorough research why that record of Zaheer was not properly documented, and the name should be added right now. How amazing and interesting. Zaheer Abbas, the legendary batsman, timed out.